Welcome back to another video, and today I am going to be showing you how to fix an add-on bug. But before we get into it, make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, so let's say you have an add-on that you were using and then Blender crashes, or you turn off your computer and you load back on and the add-on's not there. So mine would be an import add-on and it's not there. So what you would think to do is go to preferences and then install your add-on. But it shows up in the bottom, but there's no way to equip it. So what will you do? Sometimes that will work, but other times it won't. So what you will do is you will go to the search bar and type in run. Type in this text here. Press OK. And then go down to Blender Foundation. It might be in a different spot for you, but go to Blender Foundation. Then go to Blender, your latest version that you're on, scripts, add-ons, and here are all of the add-ons that you have. Now you see the add-on right here that I was trying to install. So what you want to do is you want to go and move it to, and just press that, and boom. Now it has been removed from that file over to an easily equipped file, and then just close out of that, go to edit, preferences, and then install your add-on, and boom, you can click it, it's installed, and then when I go to the import, there it is. So this is just a little tutorial on how to fix one of the add-on bugs. If you have any questions or problems, put them in the comments below. But that's all for this video. Bye.